Hi everybody, my name's Joe. I'm the watch manager for Rocks, Diamonds and Thrills. We're in our beautiful thrill room in our Glasgow Argyll Arcade boutique with some incredible watches. The one I have here is the Zenith Chronomaster El Primero. Now, some watches have a history that sets them apart from others, and that's certainly what we've got here. Let's take a minute going through the history of the El Primero because it really is quite interesting. In 1962, Zenith decided they wanted to create the first ever automatic chronograph movement, and more than that, they didn't want to create just a new component and add it onto an existing movement. They wanted to create an entirely integrated new movement. That's exactly what they did. It took them 7 years, and when they'd finished, not only had they made the first fully integrated automatic chronograph movement, they'd also made, to this day, the most precise. It operates at 36,000 vibrations per hour, pretty high cadence, which means the second hand moves 10 times a second, so you can actually time down to 1/10 of a second. It's pretty crazy. And also interestingly, El Primero means the first in Esperanto. As well as being the most precise series-made chronograph available today, the El Primero movement also has 50 hours of power reserve, which means it's actually a watch that you can use day to day. It's not going to keep running out on you. On average, every watch in the El Primero range takes 9 months to complete, and 300 pairs of hands carry out 2,500 operations. There's an incredible amount of work goes into making these watches. With the movement being as good as it is, it's not a surprise that it has been recognised with over 2,333 awards in the field of chronometry. Now, it's housed in a 42mm stainless steel case, which is beautifully polished and brushed. So the dial on the Chronomaster El Primero has a beautiful retro sporty feel. The colour choices are pretty significant as well. The grey, the blue and the anthracite are all colours that are significant for the El Primero. The layout is nice and clear as well. That's going back to the original El Primero. You've got your running seconds over at 9 o'clock, a 12-hour counter at 6 o'clock, and a 30-minute counter at 3 o'clock, also with a central chronograph seconds hand picked out in red. So this timepiece is supplied on a beautiful blue alligator leather strap, and it features a steel double folding clasp. It's really comfortable on the wrist. It honestly is a watch that you could wear every day and enjoy. Zenith watches are available to view in our Glasgow Argyll Arcade boutique. They're also available online at rocks.co.uk. Thanks a lot.